Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Success Step Word who says if you dream it you can do it. So guys, we are back and today we'll talk about some most common tips to write an opinion essay or agree disagree essay of writing task 2. So let's get started. So guys, in our last video we had discussed about the structure of opinion essay. Today we'll study some common factors which we should keep in mind while writing opinion essay. But before that, if you are new on channel, please subscribe it now to enhance your knowledge and press the bell icon to get the notification of our upcoming videos. So for example, you have given the question in exam. The first thing you should do is to take some time and pay attention to analyze the question. For an instance, our question is, a big salary is much more important than job satisfaction. Do you agree or disagree? Now read the question 2 to 3 times to get a clear idea that what the question is asking. So as our question is extremely simple, that what is more important, big salary or contentment of workplace? According to question, big salary is more important. If you also think like this, it means you agree with it. But if you think that satisfaction is more crucial, then disagree with it. Clear? And most important thing is that while deciding it, you should think about which side you can articulate best argument or reasons, so that you can be able to write a perfect essay with appropriate reasons and examples. In our last video, we had written against this statement. Today we'll agree with it. Clear? If you didn't watch that video, please watch that first. You can reach to that video by clicking on I button. Now after deciding which side we should choose, next step is to generate ideas. You have to generate 4 to 5 ideas to write about and then choose 2 of them that are most relevant to the task. Then write them somewhere in short. One more thing, that do not list too many ideas. Just take 2 ideas with a strong explanation. For example, my first idea is high salary jobs are generally more stressful, and second is job satisfaction gives a sense of fulfillment. So I'll put one idea in BP1 with explanation and example and second in BP2. Clear? If I talk about explanation for idea that high salary jobs are generally more stressful, you can write in this way like generally higher positions get higher salary, and it's obvious that the person who is in higher position not only get power but a plethora of responsibilities as well, which in turn leave him in extreme stress. And it says that stress affects a person's mental and physical health both. Clear? In this way you can explain your idea or point. Now the third step is to write some vocabulary related to your task. In an IELTS essay, it's extremely important to be able to say the same thing in different ways, either by paraphrasing it or using synonyms. Clear? During the planning stage, quickly write down some synonyms of keywords you could use to save you having to stop and think of the right language while you are writing. Clear? For an instance, instead of satisfaction, you can use fulfillment, achievement, sense of accomplishment, or contentment. For salary, you can use income, pay, wages, earning, etc. With that done, after writing vocabulary or synonyms, focus on the first paragraph of the essay, which is introduction, and start writing your essay. So these were some steps which you should follow before start writing your essay. Clear? We can say it like before makeup, we do prep our skin. Like that, you should prep your essay as well before writing it. Clear? Now we'll talk about some tips which will help you to enhance the quality of your essay. So the first tip is avoid going off topic. This is the most crucial point. Remember this thing, that always write an opinion essay within relevance to answer the assigned question. You cannot write anything irrelevant to the topic. If you do this, examiner will surely deduct your band score. Move to the next tip, a well thesis sentence. So the full thesis sentence is a brief description of the opinion essay. We also call it as a question sentence. It determines the rest of the paper. Include all the information that you wish to include in the body paragraphs. If I say it in simpler words, आपकी थीसिस लाइन ऐसे होनी चाहिए कि एग्जामिनर आपकी थीसिस लाइन से ही आपके कंप्लीट ऐसे को समझ जाए, like which side you have chosen and your ideas, your opinion and all these things. Clear? That's why this is the most crucial part of our essay. Next tip is, do not list too many ideas in your BPs. The BPs cover the reasons for your opinion. However, do not list several ideas. Just use one central idea for one BP and explain and support it. The quantity of ideas doesn't matter in IELTS essay writing. The thing that matters is with how much clarity and explanation you have present your idea. Clear? So always use maximum 2 ideas for each BP. Moving to the next tip, don't wait until the conclusion to give your opinion. It must be throughout the whole essay, as it is an opinion essay, so it is must to present your opinion in the whole essay. Also stick to the one opinion. Never give 2 different opinions, such as first you have agreed with the statement and then disagreed. So it will confuse the examiner and he will definitely deduct your band score. Next tip is never add new ideas in conclusion. You can only give those ideas in conclusion which you are given in the introduction. Conclusion should be short version of your essay, or I can say summary of your whole essay. Clear? Moving further, use phrases to start, organize and link your ideas. For an instance, to state your opinion, you can write in my opinion, in my view, to my mind, etc. Or you can write in this essay I will discuss whether, or in this essay it will be discussed. Now to start BP1, you can write the first reason to consider is, then give reason and explain. After that write further reason, then explain it as well, and then lastly write thus, therefore to conclude your paragraph. We'll study phrases and linking words deeply in our upcoming videos. Now move to the next tip, the proofreading. After completing essay, read it carefully and make sure your words are spelled correctly and all the commas and periods are on their places. This is a must step. You should not skip it ever, because during the time of writing we do many mistakes. So always do proofreading after completing your essay. Finally, last but not the least, once you understand the process, this whole structure or format, practice on past questions. At first just be comfortable and take your time. Then gradually speed up until you can plan and write an essay of at least 250 words in the 40 minutes allowed in the exam. Clear? Now if I talk about time management in exam, you will be given 40 minutes to write an essay, from which you should spend 5 minutes on those steps which I have explained you in the starting of the video, such as analyze the question, generate ideas, etc. 30 minutes to write whole essay, and rest of the 5 minutes one should save for proofreading. So these are some most common but important tips which are the key to get higher band score in essay writing. I hope आप सबको सभी steps and tips समझ आए होंगे. But if you have any query related to any of the step, do let me know in the comment section. And also if you like the content, please like the video and share it as much as you can. This is enough for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video or our upcoming video with some other effective topics. Till then, stay tuned with us. Bye-bye.